get me in a rental car. So now I'm in a rental car. I've had my coffee at your place. I feel comfortable. I've talked to you. I'm like, this guy isn't slimy at all. I like him. I think he's honest. My car's in good hands.
That's it.
So I leave. What happens?
You leave. You've notified the insurance that it's at our shop.
Yep.
So the next step is we wait for an appraisal to come out.
Okay.
And well, there's two routes actually now. The insurance company might send us a link to upload the pictures ourselves.
Okay.
And they will do an estimate in their head office, or they'll send an appraiser. Either way, we got to wait for an approved estimate from the insurance company.
So this is where things get interesting and juicy.
Mm-hmm.
So how is it determined what the cost is for you? Like, so in my industry, I have a door rate. And my door rate's $175 per labor hour. There's shops.
Wow, you're making them. You got the yacht in Miami.
Yeah. Have you seen this place? Have you seen my guys? We got quality guys. We got quality. Anyway, it all comes at a cost. There's other shops that are much less.
Yeah.
Door rate, and I don't think really that much less, because I have obviously called around. I know what the prices are, and we're fairly competitive.
That's right.
Do you find that there's shops out there that are? Do the insurance companies allow shops that are extremely hourly rate lower than you to compete?
So here's the thing, Mike. Well, the reason why I said wow is not because of your rates being high, because that's where the big difference is in body shops versus mechanical. Your door rate's $175.